Good morning, children. In last class, we started new chapter, mapping your way. So in last class, we discussed what is a map, how to read a map. Okay, what is a map, ma? Anyone from the class? What is a map?
Map we can show the directions.
In map we can locate the areas.
Yes, very good. The map is nothing but locating the area on a paper. Okay. Now, suppose from our house to the distance between our house and school, let be some 2 or 3 kilometers. Can you draw the 2 or 3 kilometers on a paper? No, very good. No, we cannot draw. So then what we will do? Then how we will locate? What we will do? So there we will use a scale. We will use a scale to draw a map. Suppose on ground distance between our house and school is 2 kilometers. Okay. So this is the scale I am taking here. 1 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer or 1 meter equals to 1 kilometer. Anything. But on scale what we are taking here, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now, here suppose this is the map what we are having. This is the paper I want to draw. Okay. So, here is my school and here is my house. 1 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer. Then 2 kilometers means how many centimeters, ma?
2 centimeters.
That means here I am showing here this is house, this is school. The distance between school and house is 2 centimeters. So when we are mute yourself, all of you.
And we cannot see the down.
Yes. Okay, is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
That means here 2 centimeters we are showing, but actual distance is 2 kilometers. Actual distance is 2 kilometers. That means the scale on map is nothing but what it refers to. The scale refers relationship between distance on the map. This is the map. Distance on the map and the corresponding distance on the ground. Distance on ground is 2 kilometers. But we are showing distance on map, it is 2 centimeters. Why? I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So this is the scale what we are going to take on map. Scale it can differ, ma. It's depend upon us. So I can take 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer also. If I want to show. Okay. So then the distance will become, here we can reduce the distance. This is 1 centimeter. The distance is 1 centimeter. Okay. So 1 kilometer equals to 2 centimeters. Then 2 kilometers it will become 2 kilometers it will become how much, ma'am?
4 centimeters.
Yes, very good.
4 centimeters,
4
ma'am.
centimeters. So here it is school, here it is school and house. Then the distance is 4 centimeters. So centimeters we can to draw centimeters. What we can use, ma? We can use
Scale.
yes,
Scale.
very good. We can use scale to draw centimeters. So it is easy for us to show how to draw centimeters and all these things, and how to it is easier for us to show the distance easily. Okay, on the map. Now let us see this, ma. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Now waiting in the last class what we done, we checked the ways. How many ways are there? What is called Rajpath? Okay, Vijaya Chowk from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate, how many ways are there? All these we checked. Okay, now waiting for the parade. Okay, while waiting for the parade, Kancha and some of his friends wonder where this parade ends. So he has a route map. Okay, Kancha has a route map. Okay, the parade, how the parade goes. So it will start from where, ma? It will start from Vijay Chowk. So where it is, here I am showing the ways. Check it. So this is Vijay Chowk to India Gate. India Gate here, can you see the pink color bubble there? Here? Up to here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is Vijay Chowk to India Gate, the route, Rajpath. Okay. And then, so we have some more space here. So one more route that is. And then Vijay Chowk to Rajpath. Next, India Gate. So up to here, India Gate completed. Next, what is the next way? Tilak Marg. Where it is, Tilak Marg? You can observe this. See, Tilak Marg it is. Okay, the blue color one. The way I showed with the blue color line. Okay, and then Tilak Marg after. See the route here. Here it is. BS Jafar Marg. Tilak Marg after what you have? BS Jafar Marg. Yeah, where it is, see here. This is the way. BS Jafar Marg. Okay.
BS Jafar Marg.
Now next. Next. Subhash Marg.
Marg.
Subhash Marg. So wait, this is also Subhash Marg. And that one also Subhash Marg. Up to here, this is Subhash Marg. After that, Red Fort. Okay, the red color one is Subhash Marg. After that, Red Fort. We got Red Fort. Okay. Now, here we have some questions, ma. And once observe the map clearly. What you can see, ma? Once observe the map clearly. What you can see on the map? Directions are there. So the 4 directions are shown here. North, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. Directions are there. And one more important point. Observe that. Tell me. One more is there.
Boat.
Observe it clearly and say. At the down of the map, you can see. What you can see.
Ma'am, is a scale.
Yes.
Scale 1
Scale is
kilometer.
given for us. What is the scale given for us, ma?
2 centimeters, 1 kilometer. 1
So 2 centimeters on map is equal to 1 kilometer on ground. Is it clear? So whenever
Yes,
we say 2 centimeters, we can take it as 1 kilometer. Suppose 1 centimeter will become
1 kilometer.
2 centimeters, 1 kilometer. Then 1 centimeter.
Half kilometer.
Very good. 1 centimeter, half kilometer.
Half
Then
kilometer.
4 centimeters.
2 kilometers.
Yes,
2 kilometers.
very good. 4 centimeters, 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers.
Okay, now coming to division chapter.
Yeah, somewhere I am getting sounds, ma. Yes. Now, here the children are discussing like this. Hey, see, that is India Gate and this is Rashtrapati Bhavan. So, where is India Gate? And where is Rashtrapati Bhavan? So, this is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Here, let me look at it. Here, this is Rashtrapati Bhavan and this is India Gate.
India Gate.
Okay, this is
India.
Red Fort. Okay, now. My mother told me it is 2 kilometers from Vijay Chowk to India Gate. 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers means how many centimeters?
4 centimeters.
Yes,
One.
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters.
So my mother told me it is 2 kilometers from Vijay Chowk to India Gate. And the long road between these is Rajpath. As we discussed in the earlier class, we know that the long road between Vijay Chowk, Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate is called Rajpath. Okay. On this map, it is about 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters on the map is same as 2 kilometers on the ground. Just now we discussed now. So 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, then 2 kilometers,
4 centimeters.
it will become 4
4
centimeters.
centimeters.
Now, let us guess how many kilometers long Rajpath is. So, how many kilometers long Rajpath is? So, you are right. See, it is written at the bottom of this map. Scale is 2 centimeters equals to 1 kilometer. So, oh, what is that, ma? Rajpath, how much long it is? How many kilometers it is? 4 centimeters means 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers.
Now, so here some questions are given for us. We have to answer that. Okay. Look at the map carefully and find out which of these is longest road. So here 3 roads are given for us. This is Tilak Marg, 3.8 centimeters. You can use scale and you can measure it, ma. Okay. If it is possible, I will show 1 minute. Yeah, somewhere I am getting sounds, ma. Please mute yourself, kids.
Ma'am, Nirikshan. Nirikshan, ma'am.
Yeah, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we can see.
1 minute.
No, ma'am.
So now, see here. From this is Vijay Chowk. So Vijay Chowk to India Gate. So let us see here, ma. What is the distance Vijay Chowk to India Gate? Here it is 4 centimeters. Okay. It is given Vijay Chowk to India Gate is 4 centimeters. And next. So Tilak Marg. From here to here, Tilak Marg we have. So observe this. Is it clear to you? So like this, you have to measure. Okay. Using scale. So centimeters, whenever centimeters we have given, we can say easily it is. See here, this is here. BS mark. See here 3 centimeters. Is it clear to all of you? Is it visible? Is it visible to all of you clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's in our textbook. Ma'am,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is-
Yes. So like this, what you have to do is using scale from the textbook, find out the measurement. So 2 centimeters means 1 kilometer, isn't it? Now, yes. Now here, this is up to India Gate 4 centimeters. Vijay Chowk to India Gate 4 centimeters. In between we have small road. Okay, India Gate to this green point we have small road, that is 0.7 centimeters. You can check it ma later. Okay, and Tilak Marg is 3.8 centimeters and BS Marg is 3 centimeters and this Subhash Marg is 4.5 centimeters. Now here BS Jafar Marg, Subhash Marg and Tilak Marg. In these 3, which one is the longest road, ma? In these 3, which one is the longest road?
Ma'am, Rajpath to India Gate, ma'am.
No, 3 options are given for us, ma. I am not saying about this.
Ma'am, it was Subhash Marg.
Yes, very good. It is Subhash Marg. Here, check the options mark clearly. Here in the question, 3 options are given for us. So answer is Subhash Marg is the longest road among them. Now, so if Rubia is coming from Jamma Masjid to join the parade, guess about how far she will have to walk. Okay, how far she will have to walk. Now, let us check the distance between Jamma Masjid and Subhash Marg. Okay. See here, ma. Here it is Jamma Masjid. Okay. So from here to here it is Subhash Marg. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? This part.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So from here to here. Okay. That up to here Subhash Marg. Then observe that what is the distance on the scale, ma? Here it is
2 centimeters.
see clearly. 2 centimeters means here it is.
Ma'am, half centimeter.
Yes, very good. It is half centimeter.
Half centimeter.
Half centimeter means what, ma?
Ma'am, 1 meter. 1 centimeter.
On the map, it is given for us 2
Ma'am, 1
centimeters
kilometer.
equal to 1 kilometer.
Ma'am, 1/4 kilometer.
Isn't it? On the map, it is given 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
Okay, so
Okay,
when
ma'am.
you observe this here, it is sorry, ma, it is 1 centimeter. It is not clear. I will show you once again.
1 centimeter is
See here, up to here, Subhash Marg.
Ma'am, we
0
can't
to
see.
1. You can't see? Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, we can't see. Only we
1
can
minute,
see
1
you,
minute.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, now you can see, I think so. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see here clearly.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Up to here,
Yes,
Subhash
ma'am.
Marg we have to. So it is a little bit here, up to
1
here, from here to
centimeter.
here. So because of the sketch, it was problem. Yeah, see here properly, it is 1 centimeter. Okay, 0 to 1. Up to Subhash Marg to join the parade. Okay, so here we know that 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
Then 1 centimeter
Ma-
will become
Half kilometer.
Half kilometer.
half kilometer. Half kilometer means what, ma? 0.5 kilometers. Half kilometer means 0.5 kilometers. That means Ruby has to walk half kilometer to reach the parade. So Ruby has to walk. Rubia will have to walk about half kilometer means what, ma? 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Half kilometer means 500 meters or 0.5
500
kilometer to join the parade. Okay. Now, next question. The total route of the parade is about how long? The total route of the parade is about how long? 3 kilometers, 16 kilometers, 25 or 8? So as you know, so check the route map, ma. So Rashtrapati Bhavan to we have to check. Okay. Let us add all the route, all the map routes. First one is 4.7 centimeters, and then 3.8 centimeters. Next, 3 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters. Okay. Now add it. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 5, how much, ma? 22. Carry forward. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus
6, ma'am.
6, 12. 12 plus 4,
9.
16. So this is total route. The distance between Rashtrapati Bhavan to where? Red Fort. Rashtrapati Bhavan to Red Fort is 16 centimeters. These 16 centimeters we need to convert into kilometers. So we know that
Okay,
2
ma'am.
centimeters is 1 kilometer. Now 16 centimeters, how much? So 16.
Ma'am, 8 kilometers.
Very good, ma'am. 8. So it is 8 kilometers. It is 8
8 kilometers.
So 2 centimeters on map is 1 kilometer on ground, as we know that clearly. Now 16 centimeters, how many kilometers we need to find out? So 16 into 1 by 2. So 2 8s are 16. So how many kilometers, ma'am? It is, how many kilometers it is?
8 kilometers. 8 kilometers, ma'am.
Kilometers. It is 8 kilometers. Now, next. So the total route of the parade will be about 8 kilometers. Now look at the next one. Trip to Red Fort. So what happened after parade? When we reached Red Fort, there was a long queue for tickets. The main entrance is called Lohari Gate. So observe the map here, ma. Observe the map here. So this is Lohari Gate. This is called the main entrance of the Red Fort. Okay. So from Subhash Marg, if you go like this, so you can see the main entrance of the Red Fort. It is called Lohari Gate. Okay. And then after entering it, we turned left into a long corridor with little shops on both sides. After entering, what they done, ma? They turned left. Okay. So this is called Meena Bazaar. This is called Meena Bazaar. Where is Meena Bazaar, ma? Here you can see Meena Bazaar. See here. 1 minute. Yes, see here. This is Meena Bazaar. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Meena Bazaar. I bought some lovely bangles from there for my sister. So this is the Lohari Gate. You can see that this is Meena Bazaar. Okay. So here the scale is given for observe this. Again here we have the 4 directions: east, west, north, south. East,
Ma'am, and
west,
scale direction also there.
north, south. Very good. The second point is the scale is given 1 centimeter equals to 100 meters.
100 meters.
100
1
meters, ma'am.
centimeter equals to 100 meters.
100
As I
meters.
told you, it is our choice to select the scale. Okay. You can take here 2 centimeter equals to 100 meters also. But here it is given for us 1 centimeter equals to 100 meters. Okay. Now. Now. So what they done later? You can go straight through Nakar Khan and reach Diwan-e-Am. This is where the king used to meet the common people. Okay. So let us see where it is. See here, in this. Here, this is Nakar Khan. Okay. From there, if you move a little bit forward, you will get Diwan-e-Am. You will get Diwan-e-Am. So where the king used to meet the common people. Next, walking straight from Diwan-e-Am, we saw Rag Mahal. It is a beautiful building. There were 3 more buildings on our left side. Look for these on the map. So once go to the map ma here. See here. So this is here. Here Diwani Am is there. And then again from here Diwani Khas is there. From if you go straight Diwani Khan, what we will get? Rag Mahal. So to the left of the Rag Mahal, again 3 more buildings are there. Okay. So observe these 3 buildings, ma. 1, 2, 3 on the map. Small. Okay. So in this map, it is looking very small. I will show you with another map. Okay, ma? Yes. See here. Okay, so this is the map what you see just now. Lahore Gate, Meena Bazar, Nakhar Khan, Diwani Am. From Diwani Am, if you move little bit, what you will get? Ma Rag Mahal. Next, left of that, Amgah. Again, Diwani Khas and Haman. Okay, these are the 3 more buildings there. Now here, some questions are there for us. Let us see what are the questions. Which of these is nearer to river Yamuna? The Diwani Am or Diwani Khas? Here, see, observe this. Diwani Am, Diwani Khas.
Diwani Khas.
Yes. So here 2 are there. Diwani Am, Diwani Khas. So which one is nearer to river Yamuna? Here is river Yamuna. See here.
Diwani Khas.
Yes, this is river Yamuna. So which is nearer, ma? In these 2. Diwani Khas is nearer. Diwani Khas is nearer to river Yamuna. Okay. Next. Between which 2 buildings is Armagah? Armagah, which 2 buildings, ma? See, observe this.
Ma'am.
Arman Gah is in between Diwani Khas and Rag Mahal. Observe the buildings, ma, here. I have given in the red mark there. See here. Diwani Khas and Rag Mahal. Armgah is between Diwani Khas and Rag Mahal. So by seeing the map, you have to observe all the things. By seeing the, if some questions are asked for us, so what you have to do, observe the map clearly. So there you can find the answers. Now, which buildings do you pass while going to Rag Mahal to the Hammam? Where is Rag Mahal? Where is Rag Mahal, ma? Here you can see Rag Mahal. Hammam, where is Hammam? Here you have. In between, the 2 buildings are there. What are the 2 buildings, ma?
Diwali Khas.
Diwani Khas. See here. So this is and this is, these 2 buildings are there in between Rag Mahal and Hammam. So we will pass through Armagah and Diwani Khas while going from Rag Mahal to Hammam. Okay? Now, the next question. Which building on this map is farthest to Meena Bazar? Which one is farthest, ma? Where is Meena Bazar? Meena Bazar. Here is Meena Bazar. Which building is farthest, ma?
Ma'am, Hanuman.
Yes, very good. Hammam is farthest from Meena Bazar. Now, about how far is Lahore Gate from Diwani Khas?
Ma'am, 1 kilometer.
See, Lahore Gate is here. Diwan Khas is here. So, Observe, ma. Using scale. Whenever it is given centimeters, we can measure with the scale.
Ma'am, 6.
How many?
Ma'am, 6 centimeters.
Yes, it is
Yes,
6
ma'am, 6
centimeters.
centimeters.
It is 6 centimeters. And we know that on map it is given 1 centimeter equals to how many kilometers?
100.
100 meters, ma'am.
Given. 1 centimeter equals to 100 meters.
100
6
meters.
centimeters equals to
600 meters, ma'am.
600 meters.
600
600.
meters. 6 into 100, 600 meters.
600, ma'am.
So
meters.
then the distance between Lahar Gate and Diwan Ekas is how much, ma? 600 meters.
Meters.
Isn't it? Is there any doubt, ma? While reading the map,
No,
are
ma'am.
you feeling? Are you
No,
getting
ma'am.
any difficulty?
No,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Did you understand how to read the map?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
understand how to use the scale?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
So here
ma'am.
is Lahore Gate and here it is Devanikas. The distance is 6 centimeters. The scale is given for us 1 centimeter equals to 100 meters. So the distance is 600 meters. Now here, see here, ma. One map is given for us, but the map is in the form of on square grid. The map is given on square grid. Okay, and some questions are also given for us. Okay, you have to answer the question. On square grid, what you know, ma? On square grid, what you know?
1 box, 1 centimeter.
So each length of the side of the square is 1 centimeter, isn't it? So suppose from here to here, if I am moving 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 4 centimeters, isn't it? So each side is 1 centimeter here. Each side is 1 centimeter here. Now here some questions are given for us, ma. Let us answer the questions first. Okay, look at the map of India below and find the states these children are talking about. Answer the question. So the Karnataka team starts from Bangalore and moves in the north direction. And one more thing, here the directions also given for us. Now, where is north, ma? Where is north?
Up.
Where is north?
Straight up, ma'am.
Yes, up, top of the map, north. The opposite down of the map, south.
South.
Our left
South,
is
ma'am.
west and east is
Right.
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 Okay, isn't it? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now, now here, so the question is, the Karnataka team. Karnataka, where is it is, ma? Karnataka, here it is. The Karnataka team, here it is. The Karnataka is here. Starts from Bangalore. Starts from Bangalore and moves in the north direction. Moves in the north direction. So check it, ma, on this map. Which states does it cross to reach Delhi? Delhi, where is Delhi, ma?
Ma'am,
Here it is Delhi.
ma'am,
Here it
ma'am,
is.
Uttar Pradesh,
Yes.
Maharashtra,
Yes.
Karnataka,
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh,
Maharashtra here.
Rajasthan and Haryana.
Madhya Pradesh.
Rajasthan and Haryana, ma'am.
Yes.
Uttar Pradesh and Delhi.
From here they have
Rajasthan
और राजस्थान और हरियाणा.
Sure.
Yes, ma. From here they have to start Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. Next Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Then it is coming. So Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh to reach Delhi. Okay, they have to cross Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh,
Madhya Pradesh,
and
Uttar Pradesh.
Pradesh. Okay. Now, next, let us see the next question. Yeah, here. Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of Delhi. So, where is Delhi? Where is Delhi, ma? Here it is Delhi. Okay. Now, Jammu and Kashmir. Where is Jammu and Kashmir? Here. This is Jammu and Kashmir. So, Jammu and Kashmir, where it is? At north. Okay. So, the team from there travels towards south to reach Delhi. Which states does it cross? Which states does it cross? So, the team from there,
Tamil Nadu.
Jammu and Kashmir, they are traveling towards south. South means down, isn't it? So, which
Ma'am.
state does it cross?
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Ma'am, Uttar Pradesh,
Yeah, from here to here.
Punjab, Haryana,
Yes. Jammu Kashmir team has to cross
Jaipur, Haryana,
Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Punjab,
Himachal
and
Pradesh,
Haryana to reach Delhi.
Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana.
To
Yes,
reach
ma'am.
Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana, they have to cross.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Next question, ma'am.
Next. So, 1 minute, ma'am. Next, here. Now, Nonu lives in Gujarat. Where is Gujarat, ma? Where you can see Gujarat here? See here, it is Gujarat.
Ma'am, West, ma'am.
Yes,
West.
ma'am.
Yes, at west.
West, ma'am. Ma'am, can we draw it then?
No, ma. Some if one will start again, everybody will do that. Let it be.
Ma'am, West, ma'am.
Yes, here it is Gujarat. Okay. Here it is
Okay, ma'am.
Gujarat. Now, Nonu wants to visit his friend in which direction? West Bengal. His friend lives in West Bengal. Where is West Bengal? Where is West Bengal, ma? Look at the map clearly and tell me.
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh and after Odisha, ma'am.
Very good. Here it is West Bengal. So, to go to his friend's house, in which direction he has to move, ma? Which direction he has to travel? 4 options are given for us.
West, ma'am.
Madhya Pradesh, ma'am.
No, ma.
Gujarat
See
to
here,
Madhya Pradesh.
listen carefully the question. Nonu lives in Gujarat. His friend lives in West Bengal. So here is Gujarat and here is West Bengal. To go, if he want to go to West Bengal,
East.
on which direction he has to move?
Ma'am, East.
Yeah,
Ma'am, east.
very good. Towards
West,
east. He needs
Yes, ma'am.
towards
East, ma'am.
east.
Ma'am.
Need to go from Madhya Pradesh to Chhattisgarh.
So,
From there, Jharkhand. West
towards
Bengal.
east. Towards east. Now, is there any state which is to north of Jammu Kashmir? Where is Jammu Kashmir, ma? Here at the top. Jammu Kashmir is at top. Is there any state, ma? To the north
No,
of
ma'am, no.
Kashmir.
No, ma'am.
To the
No,
north of
ma'am.
Jammu
No,
Kashmir.
ma'am.
Is there any state?
No, ma'am.
No,
Very good. Next. One more question is there.
Ma'am, we can't see it.
Is there any state which is to the west of Gujarat? Where is Gujarat?
No, ma'am.
Gujarat.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So west of
No,
Gujarat
ma'am.
also we don't have any. In the north of Jammu Kashmir and west of Gujarat we don't have any states. Okay, very good, ma'am. Next. If 1 centimeter on the map shows 200 meters on ground, use this scale to find out about how
Okay,
far
ma'am.
Delhi from Jaipur.
Delhi
Delhi from Jaipur. Where is Delhi, ma'am? Here is Delhi. Where is Jaipur? Here is Jaipur. Okay. So here is Delhi and here is Jaipur. So now tell me how many kilometers it is? How many kilometers it is?
3, ma'am. 3, ma'am.
So you have to observe it clearly.
2, ma'am. 400 meters.
From here to here 1 centimeter, ma.
Ma'am, 250.
Here to here 1 centimeter. Where is Jaipur? Jaipur is
1 centimeter. Ma'am, 200. 200 kilometers. Ma'am, 250, ma'am. 250 kilometers. 250 kilometers. 1 kilometer is 200 kilometers.
yes. 1 kilometer equals to 1
200
centimeter.
kilometers. 200 kilometers.
1 centimeter equals to 200 kilometers. It is given for us. Okay. Now Delhi to Jaipur. How many centimeters you got, mother? 1.5 centimeters it is. 1.5.
250.
No. So here, once you observe this like this, it is not. Here it is Jammu. Sorry, Jammu. Here it is Delhi, Jaipur.
Yes, ma'am. Jaipur.
Here it is Jaipur. Okay. So from here to here 1 centimeter. Okay. 1 centimeter plus a small part is there. Observe that. Okay. So 1/4.
Ma'am, 1.
So which is nothing but 200. 1 centimeter means 200. 1/4 means 50. So it is
200.
250, ma'am.
kilometers. 250 kilometers.
Meters. Kilometers. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Estimate how far is Jaipur from Bhopal. On map, how many centimeters? Bhopal, where it is? Ma Bhopal, check it. Here it is. Jaipur. And where is Bhopal?
Ma'am, in Madhya Pradesh, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Madhya Pradesh, ma'am.
That. So here it is Bhopal and here it is Jaipur. On map, how many centimeters? Ma here it is.
800, ma'am.
On map it is 2 centimeters. On map it is 2 centimeters. So on ground, how many kilometers? On
Ma'am,
400 kilometers. 400 kilometers, ma'am.
400 kilometers.
400.
1 centimeter equals to 200 kilometers. Then 2 centimeters?
400 kilometers, ma'am.
400 kilometers.
400
2 into
kilometers. You can use scale to find out, ma. Okay. Now. Which state is surrounded by 4 other states? Which state is surrounded by
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya
Madhya
Pradesh?
Pradesh, ma'am.
This is Madhya
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Madhya Pradesh is surrounded by 4 other states. Next, which state is has the largest area?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. Very good. Okay. Next, which state is about 8 times bigger in area of Sikkim?
Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh. Next, very good. How many times Punjab is the area of Rajasthan?
Ma'am, Rajasthan is 7
Seven times.
7 times the area of Punjab.
Ma'am, we can see the answers, ma'am.
Yeah, but that is the mistake I done. I forgot to hide the answers. Okay. Yes, Rajasthan. Where is Rajasthan? Here it is the Rajasthan. Okay. And where is Punjab? See that ma, where is Punjab? Punjab on map. Find out and tell me. See here it is Punjab.
Punjab,
Now, what we have to do is we have to find out the area first. How you will find out the area? By counting squares. Okay. So find out Punjab here 1.5.
Punjab is west to
Now
Himachal Pradesh.
Rajasthan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here full square here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here Punjab is 1 centimeter on map ma. 1 centimeter on map. Rajasthan is 7 centimeters on map. So how many more time? How many times it is bigger ma?
Ma'am, 7
7
times.
times. You have to find out the area like that by counting squares. By using clearly, by seeing the map, you have to count the squares and find out the area of the states. Okay? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So observe the map clearly and find the answers. Okay? Is it clear? Did you find how to read the map clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
So complete the work. I send the textbook to you. No? Complete the work. Complete the answers. And write the answers in your classwork neatly and submit the classwork. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Okay,